For the recipe, you'll need firm tofu, unsalted cashews, frozen spinach or fresh spinach, 1 red onion, garlic, fresh curry leaves, cumin powder, coriander powder, mustard seeds, salt to taste, and fresh green chilies are optional. To try and replicate the creamy flavour of paneer, we are going to be soaking our tofu in cashew cream. Soak your cashews for at least 2 hours. Drain and rinse. Add 1 cup of water to your blender. And blitz till smooth. Make sure you select a really firm tofu, extra firm if you can get it, it makes the biggest difference. Pour the cashew cream over the tofu and refrigerate overnight. Blend your spinach with 1 cup of water and set aside. Add your mustard seeds to a really hot pan and allow it to pop so it releases the flavour. Add the onion, garlic, curry leaves and chilies if you prefer. Allow to brown for a minute or so and deglaze with 1/4 cup of water. Add the spinach paste and then add 1/2 cup of water to the blender, swirl around and then add that to the pot as well. Add the spices and salt and stir for a minute. Add the tofu and the cashew cream and stir. Simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. This dish illustrates how you don't need oil to have great flavour. It's creamy, it's delicious and packed full of flavour. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.